So, good morning everyone. As you can see, we have a boiling expressions here. So, for today's video, we're going to simplify this equation. So, let's start. Let's start with our first term. Gagawin natin tong step-by-step process para maintindihan pa natin lalo. So, as you can see, may solving na ako dito para i-explain ko na lang sa inyo. So, let's have a first term which is this not AB times B plus B times B plus 1. So, that's our first term. So, in this area, as you know, ang gagawin natin dito parang PEMDAS technique. Pero, PEMDAS technique. So for the first term, ang uunahin natin dito yung sa parenthesis. So, B plus B times B plus 1. So, uunahin natin tong nasa loob ng parenthesis which is the B plus 1. So, B plus 1 is equals to 1. Next is yung sa labas. So, B times B plus 1. Parehas lang siya dito sa B times 1 is equals to B. So, eto na yan. Next is yung B plus B. So, B plus B is equals lang siya sa B. So, ang magiging equation natin dito is not AB times B is equals to AB. So, parehas lang naman yung value niyan. So, magiging AB na lang siya. Hindi na yung magiging not ABB. So, na-solve na natin ang first equation. So, let's now proceed to our second term which is a not ABB, not A. So, ito ang second term natin. B times B is equals lang siya sa B, kagaya ng sabi ko kanina. And next is not A times not A is equals to A. So, parehas lang din siya sa not A. So, hindi tayo pwede magdagdag ng value kung parehas lang naman siya unless C siya. So, magiging not A, C siya. Ganon. So, ang sagot natin dito sa second term is just simply the not A, B. So, let's now proceed to our third term which is the not B. So, nakikita natin halos pare-parehas lang din siya lahat. Pare-parehas lang din siya. So, ang gagawin natin ay magiging not B raised to 4 siya. So, hindi na natin lalagay yung raised to 4. So, pare-parehas lang naman yan. We're just going to simplify it by just writing a not B. So, for last term is not AB. Not AB. So, for term not AB is just simply not AB. So, i-combine na natin yung nakuha natin sagot from our first term, second, third, and fourth. So, for first term, we got a not AB plus not B plus B plus AB. So, this is from the second, third, first, second, third, and for our fourth term. So, since pare-pares lang naman siya, magka-cancel tayo. So, pag nag-cancel tayo, ang magiging sagot natin ay so, let's do explanation about the combination kung paano natin siya gagawing ika-cancel. So, F AB is equals to not AB plus not AB plus B plus not AB. So, since ang value natin ay ang daming not AB, ang mangyayari na lang dito is magiging not AB plus B. So, we're going to cancel the not A and B here. So, ito na lang para magiging not A plus B siya. So, I hope you guys understand this equation. Thank you.